Hey everyone, this video walks you through fixing a YouTube Studio video upload problem in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button in the top right corner to open the Create menu. A drop-down appears with several upload and streaming options. Click Upload Videos to open the Upload dialog. Click the Select Files button to open your file picker. Select the video file you want to upload and click Open. The upload begins and the details screen appears with your video title field at the top. You'll see a progress bar tracking the upload while you fill in the details. Type a new title into the title field. For this example, Desk Setup Tour 2026-2026. The title helps viewers find your video in search results. Click Next to move to the audience screen. Select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option. This setting determines whether your video follows child-directed content regulations. Click Next to continue to the Video Elements screen. Click Next again to reach the Checks screen. This screen runs automatic checks on your video for copyright or content issues. Click Next once more to open the Visibility screen. This is where you control who can see your video once it's published. Select the Private Radio button to set your video's visibility. Private videos are only visible to you and anyone you specifically share them with. Click Save and an error message appears saying you need to choose a visibility setting. Click the Private button again to reselect it. Sometimes the selection doesn't register on the first click. Click Save to confirm your visibility choice. Click Save one final time and your video upload completes with all settings locked in. If the Save button throws an error about choosing a visibility setting even though you already selected one, just click your chosen visibility option a second time and the error will clear. The upload continues processing in the background while you're filling out these details, so you don't need to wait for processing to finish before setting your title and visibility. You can always change your video's visibility later by going back into the video's details from your content page. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.